This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your upper speaker. First, locate the upper speaker on your device, typically positioned above the screen. This speaker is crucial for hearing calls and playing media directly to your ear. To ensure the best audio, always make sure the speaker grill is clean and free from any obstructions. A clear path for sound makes a big difference in your listening experience, whether it's a phone call or your favorite podcast. To optimize your upper speaker's sound quality, start by adjusting the volume settings to suit the specific audio you are listening to. For instance, calls might require a different level than music. Dive into your device's sound settings to check the audio balance, ensuring sound is evenly distributed. For a truly personalized experience, consider using an equalizer to fine-tune bass and treble, making your audio sound exactly how you like it, whether it's for crisp dialogue or rich melodies. If you encounter issues with your upper speaker, a quick restart of your device can often resolve minor glitches. Next, verify that no background applications are inadvertently monopolizing the audio output, which can sometimes mute or lower the speaker volume. For more persistent problems, consult your device's user manual. It often contains specific diagnostic steps and solutions tailored to your model. These simple checks can help restore your speaker's functionality quickly and efficiently. For advanced usage, explore how your device might integrate its upper speaker with external audio systems for a richer stereo sound experience. Regarding maintenance, regularly clean the speaker grill using a soft, dry brush to prevent dust buildup, which can degrade sound quality over time. Furthermore, protecting your device from excessive dust and moisture is paramount to prolonging the life and performance of your upper speaker, ensuring clear audio for many years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.